What if a single injection could train your immune system to hunt down and destroy cancer cells? For decades, scientists around the world have been searching for exactly that, a cancer vaccine. Recently, headlines about a Russian cancer vaccine have sparked massive curiosity and hope. Some reports even suggested that it could become available within the next few years. But what is this vaccine? How does it work? And is it really a breakthrough in cancer treatment? In this video, we will explore everything you need to know about the Russian cancer vaccine. First, let's understand one important thing. The Russian cancer vaccine is not a traditional preventive vaccine like the ones used for diseases such as measles or polio. Those vaccines are designed to prevent infections before they occur. Cancer vaccines, however, are usually therapeutic. That means they are designed to treat cancer in patients who already have the disease by stimulating the body's immune system to recognize and attack cancer cells. This technology became widely known during the COVID-19 pandemic when mRNA vaccines were developed rapidly to protect people against the virus. However, in cancer treatment, the idea is slightly different. Instead of protecting against a virus, the mRNA is designed to teach the immune system how to recognize specific mutations found in cancer cells. Here is how it works. Every tumor has its own unique genetic mutations. Scientists can analyze a patient's tumor sample and identify these mutations. Using that information, they create a customized mRNA vaccine that carries instructions for the immune system. When the vaccine is injected, the body produces small protein fragments that mimic the tumor's unique markers. This helps immune cells recognize those markers and attack the actual cancer cells in the body. One of the most exciting aspects of this approach is personalization. Unlike traditional treatments such as chemotherapy, which affect both healthy and cancerous cells, personalized cancer vaccines aim to target only the tumor. This could potentially reduce side effects and make treatment more precise. Researchers believe that such vaccines could be used alongside other treatments like surgery, radiation therapy, or immunotherapy. In some cases, the vaccine could help prevent cancer from returning after the tumor has been removed. In other situations, it might help the immune system control tumors that are difficult to treat with conventional therapies. However, despite the growing excitement, the Russian cancer vaccine is still in the experimental stage. Like all new medical treatments, it must undergo rigorous testing before it can be approved for public use. This process begins with preclinical studies in laboratories and animal models to evaluate safety and potential effectiveness. After that, the therapy enters human clinical trials. Phase 1 trials test the safety of the vaccine in a small number of volunteers. Researchers look for possible side effects and determine safe dosage levels. Phase 2 trials involve a larger group of patients and focus on whether the vaccine actually helps fight cancer. Finally, Phase 3 trials include hundreds or even thousands of participants and compare the new therapy with existing standard treatments. Only after successfully completing these trials can a therapy be considered for approval by medical regulatory authorities. This process ensures that new treatments are both safe and effective before they reach patients. Another reason the Russian cancer vaccine is not widely available yet is the complexity of manufacturing personalized vaccines. Each patient's tumor is genetically unique, which means the vaccine must often be designed specifically for that individual. This requires advanced genomic sequencing, rapid vaccine design, and specialized manufacturing facilities. Scaling this process to treat large numbers of patients is a significant scientific and logistical challenge. It is also important to understand that cancer itself is not a single disease. There are more than 100 different types of cancer, each with unique biological characteristics. A vaccine that works for one type of cancer may not necessarily work for another. Many experimental cancer vaccines are therefore designed for specific cancers rather than as a universal cure. Another challenge is scientific validation. Early announcements about medical breakthroughs often receive significant media attention, but real scientific progress requires careful verification. Researchers must publish their findings in peer-reviewed journals so that other scientists can evaluate the data. Independent studies and international collaborations are essential before a new therapy gains global acceptance.